So here we have the KUZOR bathroom faucet. This is a single hole, single handle, super simple chrome bathroom sink faucet. It also comes with a metal pop-up drain. This way you could just press the drain to hold water in the sink or press it again to release water from the sink. Very nice, sleek, and convenient. So this really was a good, easy setup. It only took a few moments once I got it into the sink and removed the old one. One of the features that I like is that it reaches out more into the sink than my other one. It has a low flow, which is nice, smooth water, and when you really crank it up, it has a strong, powerful flow for a lot of water. Another benefit, it's much quieter than my other faucet. My other faucet, I turned it on and it made a lot of noise, and I didn't realize until I had this new one. It's got nice smooth action on the handle, left for the heat, right for the cold, and it has lifetime service and customer support that's offered by the company, and they provide any replacement in the future. So super easy to install, comes with all the accessories you need to install it. And it's got the washers, got the plate for the sink. If you got a single hole sink, you could do that option too. And it looks really nice, super quiet, nice smooth action. I'm really enjoying it, and it's a big upgrade for my sink.